Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm here to share with you some of the projects that I've been working on. A few weeks ago, if you remember, I did a tutorial on Craspire on their wax and their seals, and so I decided to incorporate them into my projects that I've been working on today. So excuse my hands, they're a mess, but let's get started. I did these scenes here on their galvanized bottle caps, and what I did is on one of the wax seals that I did, I added a bead dangle, and I added a little applique on top of this one, and then I just attached it with a couple of jump rings on the hanger over here. I thought this turned out really pretty, and I liked this color because it coordinates with the backdrop. So that's one of them. The other one, I did the same thing with the jump ring, but this is the one I stamped with the doily on it, and it didn't come out that good, but I like it anyways because not everything is perfect, and this one goes really beautiful with this scene here. I really enjoy doing this one. So that's the other one. This one here, I had an applique, and if you remember, I stamped it on some baby's breaths. And this is the clear wax melts. And instead of hanging it on the hanger, I decided to glue it onto the project itself. And that one came out pretty too. I like that one. It matches the flowers and the scene. It's really nice, this one. This one here, I didn't add a dangle. I like the way this one turned out. I like the colors on it, and it matches the background. I just added a couple of jump rings and added to my project. It gives it a beautiful look to it. And the last one is this one here. Actually, this one I stamped it on one of my crochet doilies, and I added the applique, and then I stamped it. And this came out really pretty too. It really coordinates with everything that's in this one. I like these ones, the way they turned out. Well, these are my projects. I only came in to show you the wax melts that I did and how I incorporate them in my project. I hope that you like them. I've been working hard on these things. They're really pretty, and they do take a while to do, but I enjoyed doing them. So that's all for today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Talk to you later. Ciao for now.